different pronunciation. Look at that. Red. Wow. Read, red. Two different words. Look at that. This is the present, this is the past. This is called the does. Can anyone say? What is it called? Same spelling, but different pronunciation. Look at that. Read, red, read, red. It's called homograph. Write it down. Homograph. Graph means writing. Homo means same. Same writing. Homograph. Very important. This also big English exams which you are going to face after your graduation. They will talk a lot about all these words. Homophone means same sound. Read. Look at the red, 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 red. But here different pronunciation. Read, red, but same word. Okay, we are going to see a lot. We are going to see a lot like this. Read, red. What is going to be here? Any idea? That is also called a red only. R-E-A-D, R-E-A-D, red, but different meaning. Number two, red is different meaning. I'll tell you as we go along with the next few classes. We will establish the difference. Read, red, and the last two are easy. Reading, reads. Now let us come to the important one. We speak. We want to speak. We want to definitely speak.
Spoke, sir.
Spoke. Very nice. S-P-O-K-E. Here.
Say spoken.
Spoken. Very nice. Very nice. And the last two are generally easy. Speaking. As I told, the speak is here. You want to speak. You want to speak. Want. Wanted, easy, wanted. Then you are adding ed. Then you'll be adding the same ed here. Different meaning though. This wanted has a different meaning. This later in the class I will tell you what is the difference between number 2 and number 3, but it looks like same. All right, different. Wanting, wants. So I'm saying something which you are noting down. Say.
Said.
Said. What is going to be here? Easy. Don't worry. You first note it down. First it is going to be hard. Same said. Only the meaning is different. Words are same. And this is going to be saying, and this is going to be says. All right. Note it down. The first class is important. This will take you to the entire grammar English lessons. The 5 forms will take it. Verb can be in 5 forms, 2 splits, and 20 distributions. That is all English grammar. All right. Say, said, saying, says. Now I go with the talk. Yeah, Krishna is saying you can unmute and say. You can unmute and say.
Sir, talked.
Talked. And this is also going to be the same thing. Talking. Talks. It's easy. We are going to round out. Hundreds of words you can see within 30 minutes. All those words we are using, we'll keep using. We will keep using all the time. Keep is the present tense. And we do the past. Kept. Very nice. Number 3 is also going to be kept. It's called a past participle. The column name is called a past participle. This is the present participle. Go with it. Present participle, keeping. And third person singular present, keeps. Okay, I will explain you a lot in the next 2-3 classes, completely covering the core. And in the first class might be a little bit tough for you. Second and third class, it's application. Whatever you learn, and you are going to really apply that. Okay, here you go, tell. You are going to apply, you are going to apply whatever you are going to read, you are going to apply. Okay. Tell,
Sir, told.
told, beautiful, told, beautiful, told. Very important, because when we talk, we are going to use all these words. You have to use it correctly. Correct tense, correct pronunciation, correct application, correct placement of the verb. So important in English. Told, told. This is also told. Telling, tells. Look at that.
Applies.
Applied. Yeah, very nice. Applied. Applied. And the third one looks similar. It is similar, same, but different meaning. Applied and applying. Always remember about the spelling. When you have a good reading habit, your spelling will come along very nicely. You have to remove your spelling mistakes, you have to keep reading. When you keep reading, your spelling comes along very nicely. Come comes along, he said.
Came, sir.
Yeah, come. Yeah. What did you say?
Came.
Came. Beauty, beauty. What is going to be this one?
Same came.
Ah, come came, come. That's going to be different. That's going to be V3 is going to be come. Yeah. So English is really, really strange language. Coming. And fourth and fifth are most of the time it is okay. Look at the similar word like this, run, and we do it almost all the time. Run, we run.
Answer.
Ran, beautiful. And what is going to be here? Here, what's going to be here? Krishna, want to try that?
Sir, run.
Run itself. That run. The first and third one looks same, but they are not same. But it simply looks same. Okay. Once you learn the complete tenses, you will come to know there is a huge difference between this run and this run. You will come to know running, double N, and runs, single N. See, when you run, you always walk. Every day we walk. We might not run, but we walk all the time. Walk.
Walk.
Walked. Walked. Walking. Walks. There you go. So the everyday activity, we take food all the time. We take food all the time. We eat. We
At.
take food all the time. Careful here. Careful here. We take food all the time. Eat. Eat becomes eat. Eat becomes ate. In the third form, ate becomes
Eaten.
eaten. That's nice. And the fourth and fifth are going to be easy. Eating, eats. All right. There you go. Eat, ate, eaten, eating, eats. Now, take. Look at the take. Take becomes what? Took.
Sir, took.
Very nice. Then
Taken. Taken.
taken. It has to be taken. It has to be taken. Taken. Taking. Takes. Hundreds of words we simply in the next in the 45 minutes that we spend 40 minutes, not 45. Easily we are able to grab these many words. We are able to write. We are able to do so many words here. Do. Big word, big verb. You are going to look into this.
Done, sir.
Can you repeat?
Done.
Done is going to be here, isn't it?
Sir, did.
Did, beautiful, very nice, very important line. This one, mark it down. This is such an important verb. It places both auxiliary and also main verb. The huge one, like have, what you saw, do, did, done, doing, does, doing, and you have a does. Important, critical word. This one. So we make dinner, we make breakfast. We make breakfast. idea here. Make becomes what?
So made.
Made. Super, made. And what is going to be here? The crucial one. B3 is a very crucial one out of the 5. The one big important thing is the number 3rd. Can anyone guess? Can anyone guess? Can anyone guess? It's going to be same. Don't worry. It's going to be same. Making, makes. The most important thing is one verb is going to have 5 forms. Each form in a very different way you're going to keep using when you say frame the sentence. So you should not be making mistakes. You should not be making mistakes here. Guess. Anyone? Guess. Guess the guess. Guess the guess. Guess the answer. Guess it. Can you guess it now, Krishna? Can you guess on the guess? Sanjeevan? Yes.
No.
That's all. Yes. Just adding ed here. Okay. We are going to look into so many things here. You are going to feel very easy at one point because there are about 128 verbs in English which are irregular. We are listing down. Most of the other verbs are regular. So what is regular? You just have to add ed in the number 2 and number 3. Look at this guessing. Guesses. Look. Looked. Looked. Looking. Looks. When we talk about this look, the very big word we keep using all the time is see. Look at that. See.
Saw.
Sir,
Saw. Spell it.
S-A-W.
Very nice. Here.
Sir, C.
Seems.
Seen. Seen. Very good. Seen. See. Now you want to learn something very important here. Are you ready for the learning? Saw. Past tense of see. Another saw, cutting tool. Does anyone know saw is a cutting tool? You know that saw, right? Saw. To cut something. Sanjeevan, do you know saw?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The carpenter uses saw, right?
Yes, sir.
This is called the same spelling, same pronunciation, but different word. This is called homonym. Write it down. Homonym. In English, homonym, homograph, homophones are going to be important. You are going to be tested on very big exams. The international exams, they are going to test you on, look at that, homonym. Both of them are homonym. And I am going to show you something seen. Look at that. Seen. Everyone careful. We have done this. You have to guess this. Seen. Both of them are. Look at that. Same sound. Different words. Chintanika, what is that one? Can you refer your notes and tell? We got this one. Same pronunciation, same sound, but different words spelling. Give me
Sir,
that.
homophone.
So homophone.
Homophone. Excellent. Excellent. Write it down. Write it down. When you write it down, it directly reaches your brain through nerves. So it gets settled. Writing is such a wonderful activity. You have to keep writing. You should not depend on my notes. You should depend on your notes. Depend. You should depend on your notes. Can we do this here? The C's is there, right? The C's. You want to do the C's. All right. Here. Look at that. C's. The same way, SEAS, C's. Look at the other C's, number of C's you see. C's, C's. Both will have the same sound. All right. Look at that. That is all what we need. Both C's, this C's and that C's. Very important to note it down. So, as we are half a mark right now. Just it will go away and next to 45 minutes just like that. So you want to be focused. You want to be in the learning mode because the first few classes are important. Depend. Anyone?
Depended.
Dependent. Very good. And it's going to be dependent again. Hasini, brother of Hasini, I think. Brother of Hasini, what is your name? You have to change your name. You have to change your name. Dependent. Depending. Look here. Just look into this.